Do you spend much money on shopping? Yes, and I'm usually broke at the end of the month. Have you already bought the ticket? Yes, I have. How's life? Not too bad. You? What day is it today? Thursday. When should I pick you up? Please pick me up at 3 p.m. What would you like? I'd like a glass of orange juice. What's your favorite type of book? I love reading about different cultures. Where do you buy meat? I buy meat in the market. Would you like a cup of tea? Yeah, it would be great. Did you win? No, we lost. How can I go to City Hall? Sorry, I'm new here too. Shall I wait for you? No, don't wait for me. What color are her eyes? Her eyes are blue. Where is the nearest shoe repair shop? The nearest shoe repair shop is opposite her house. Where should I empty the bucket with the garbage? There is a garbage container in the yard. What kinds of sports do you like? I really like football and badminton. Do you have friends who live in another country? Yes, some of my friends live in Latin America. Who are you buying that present for? For my mother. Will you be coming to the meeting this evening? I suppose I'll have to. Anything else? No, that's all. Are you married? No, but I am in a relationship. Can we camp here tonight? We've missed the last bus. Can you give me a hand? Of course. What's that? Could you help me? Yes, of course, with pleasure. Do you like jam made from strawberries? I often drink tea with jam made from strawberries. How was the party? Boring. I couldn't wait to get out of there. Where are you going? Nowhere. Why are you studying English? So I can communicate when I travel. Do you have any money? Yes, there's some in my wallet. Do you like it here? I love it here. When are you going to leave for the airport? I am going to leave for the airport in an hour. Do you drive a car? Yes, it's a truck. How can I get to the Tretyakov Picture Gallery? Go straight as far as the first crossing, then turn left. Were Anabel and Richard at the party? Anabel was there, but Richard wasn't. What are you interested in? I'm interested in history of jazz. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Are you coming with me? No, I don't think so. I'm staying here. Can I help you? No thanks, I'm just browsing. Can you give me a hand? Sure, just a second. Do you work from home? No, I work at an office. What is an average weight of a turtle? An average weight of a turtle is 150 kilos. When will you see Pablo again? I'm not sure. I might see him this summer. Whose car is that? I don't know. Would you go there again? No way, it was terrible. Are you an animal lover? Yes, I am. I love animals. May I drink the running water? Avoid drinking the running water without boiling. Shall I buy this coat? Yes, I think you should. What have you been up to lately? I've been working a lot. What size shoe do you wear? I wear a size 12. Are you married? Yes, I've been married for 2 years now. Do you prefer your skirt to hang down to above or below your knees? I prefer my skirt to hang down below my knees. It takes you only a few minutes, doesn't it? Yes, it does. What's your office address? 16 Cambridge Street. What's that building? It's a school. Are you doing anything this evening? Yes, I'm going out with some friends. Is there non-stop plane service to Sochi? There is non-stop plane service to Sochi. Is your friend Chinese? Yes, he is. That's not the right time, is it? No, the clock is wrong. Where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east. Do you usually get up early? No, I usually get up late. How do you say thank you in French? We say merci. How many people are there in your family? There are 3 people in my family. They are my parents and me. Are there any sandwiches? No, there aren't any sandwiches left. Do you like cooking? Not really. How many suitcases are you having? Yeah, I'm having 2 suitcases. What caused the fire? A short circuit caused the fire. What do you want to eat? Some fruit? Friendship works wonders, doesn't it? Yes, friendship works wonders. Do you prefer shoes made of leather? I can buy shoes made of other materials if I like the style. Do you want to go to the pub? You bet. What time should we meet? Any time in the evening will be fine with me. Do you know who Eric is? No, who is he? What do you do in your free time? I usually hang out with friends. Have you got a pocket calculator? No, I'm afraid not. Have you been to France? No, I haven't. Do you go out much? No, I used to go out 3 nights a week though. Did anything happen at the meeting? No, nothing special. Do you have a table for 2? Sorry, no table is left. Do you like forests? I like forest best of all. Who is Jenny? Jenny, I've never heard of her.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.